Welcome to a lesson on finding journal articles in a library database. This lesson is broken up into two parts: navigating to and selecting a database, and using keywords to create search strings. At the end of this presentation, viewers should be able to demonstrate how and why to select a library database for research, identify the three terms in Boolean searching, and, or not, and what effect each term has on searching, and limit search results to journal articles. Let's get started. Part 1. Navigating to and selecting a database. Let's imagine that you've been given an assignment where your professor has asked you to find and use a journal article as a source for your paper. The library has many online databases to search for journal articles, and these are all available to you as students. The key is using the library website. Before we begin, let's talk a little about databases. What exactly is a database? If you say it is an online collection of articles in journals, magazines, and newspapers, you're right. Scholarly journal articles are one of many document types found in databases. These articles are written by experts in their fields on many subjects in the academic world and are found in journals as opposed to magazines. Why would we search the library databases for articles instead of going to Google? Scholarly items that are available in a library database are usually not accessible through a simple Google search. The library pays a subscription fee for each database, just like a yearly subscription for a print magazine. And the databases are only available to you as centenary students. The subscription fee indicates that the journals in the database are quality sources, which are edited, proofread, and in many cases reviewed by peers or colleagues in the field of study. This is not the case with Google, where anyone can post anything online and Google will find and display it. It is not necessarily edited or reviewed for content. It simply lives online. Let's take a look at the databases the library offers. We'll start at the library homepage at libguides.centenaryuniversity.edu. Use the navigation bar at the top of the page. Click the search heading and scroll down to Databases. At the time of this recording, you will see that there are 126 databases listed in A to Z order. You can choose a database by its title if you know which one you would like to use. If you're not sure, you can look at the first column titled All Subjects, and you can click on the subject your paper is about. Once you click on it, you will see all the databases we have on that subject. Let's say you are writing a paper about how playing video games is a good way for students to gain interactive learning techniques. Since your topic deals with learning, let's look at the databases in the education subject area. At the time of this recording, there are 54 databases that have information on education. We will choose the third one listed in the Best Bets column. The EBSCOhost Database Education Source is an all-encompassing database which covers all levels and areas of education. When you click on the title of the database, you may arrive at a page that asks you to authenticate as a centenary student. This is where you enter your Moodle username and password. Part 2. Using keywords to create search strings. Now we are on the main searching page for Education Source. There are three boxes at the top of the page where you can enter your search terms to find articles on your topic. In order to find a journal article which discusses how video games provide good interactive learning techniques, we want to see these terms mentioned in our search results. To do this, we can create a search string by typing in our terms in the boxes and join them together by choosing the operators and, or not, which are accessible in the small drop-down boxes. These operators help to narrow or broaden your search and connect all the terms you are using for your search. And narrows your search and tells the database all terms must be in the results. Or broadens your search and tells the database that any of the terms should be in the results. Not excludes words from your search and tells the database to find one term, but not the other. Since we want all of our terms to be in our search results, we will string the terms together using AND, making our search string read video games and interactive and learning. After clicking the green search key, and at the time of this recording, you will see there are 1,354 results, but these include all kinds of articles from newspapers, magazines, and journals. We need to limit our search to just display journal articles. To do this, look at the column to the left of the results called Limit To and click the box for scholarly, peer-reviewed journals. By clicking this box, you are asking the database to show only results for journal articles that are academic in nature, articles that have been written by experts in the field and reviewed by their peers and colleagues who are also experts. You will see that there are now 832 results. We can limit these even further by choosing to click Full Text, which will give us 410 results where the complete article is available. We can now look through our results to choose an article that appears to be on point. The first article is not always the best one, so it's a good idea to scroll down the list to see the results of your search and to make sure you are finding titles which seem to be important. In our case, the first article looks quite good from its title. Our keywords from the search string are also highlighted in the article preview. If we click on that title, we can see bibliographic information, and we also see subject terms that the article is about. Video games, learning, and interactive learning are the top 3 listed, exactly what we are searching for. The abstract underneath is a short summary of what the article is about. Reading this abstract is a great way to find out if the article will be helpful to your research. The entire article is available in PDF format in the column to the left. Simply click on the icon and the entire article would display in full format. You can download or print it from here. You have now used a library database to find a scholarly journal article. Congratulations! As a quick review, today we discussed the difference between using a library database in Google, the definition of a scholarly journal article, how to select and navigate a library database, how to use keywords to create search strings using the operators and, or, and not, and how to limit search results to only display full-text scholarly journal articles. When all put together, searching for journal articles is easy. As always, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. We are here to help.